Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? Hope so you are doing great. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel, Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to teach the various levels of objective type of examinations regarding the maths. In case of the objective type examinations, time is important. Within short time, you have to focus the more number of questions to get best and better ranks. For that, what you have to do? Yes, you have to use a shortcut methods. And that is all I'm going to teach in my videos. If you not yet watch my previous videos, whose links are there in below description, please watch it. Those are very helpful to you. Most of the videos are uploaded. So I will upload some more videos which are helpful to you for your better preparation. Okay. Since today's session, I'm going to teach one of the quite an interesting topic that is as a part 2, that says straight lines. Okay, MSET point of view, I'm going to discuss about the straight lines as a part 2 in today's session. Are you ready? Yes, without delay, let's get started, right? To already explain the what is various content, various concept regarding the straight lines, I explained in part 1. So those we can apply here, and also some tips and tricks which are depends upon the questions. I will go while start the question. Okay. If there is any concept necessary, I will explain there only, and I will discuss about the some previous MSET questions which are depends upon this part, right? So what are the questions given here? First question number 1. If a plus b plus c is 0, then the straight line passes through the fixed point. This is given one of the relation between the ABC. By using this relation, this is represents straight lines or maybe line passing through which point he is asking. First, reading the question carefully, so you can understand that clearly. Relation between the ABC, by using them we can find out how many lines it will be represents and passing through which point. That is only we are doing. Simply what you have to do for this solution, from the given equation a plus b plus c, this result we can collect the c in terms of ab, that is minus a minus b, substitute in this equation. Substitute in equation, this is taken as some 1. Okay, this is only how to represents passing through which point. Okay, substitute in 1. So what happened in place of the c, I am writing minus a minus b. First term is as it is 2x plus 3by plus 4 times of c. In place of c, I am writing minus a minus b is equals to 0. Next, what is next step? We have to simplify. It's 2x plus 3b by minus 4a minus 4b is equals to 0. We can understand that here there are the terms which are contains a as well as contains b. Separate the terms which contains a as one term, one set, and contains b is other set. Why you have to separate? By the next step we can understand that what is here 2ax, here a is also there. From these two we can take the a is common, this becomes 2x minus 4 of a, right? Now we can concentrate remaining two terms contains the b. From these two we can take the b is common. This is 3y minus 4 is into b is equals to 0. Again this is I am dividing by a, we can write as a 2x minus 4 plus 3y minus 4 of b by a is equals to 0. Can you recognize what is this equation? Yes, in this equation we can observe that there are the two lines. One is in the form of L1, this is, another is in the form of L2. This is some b by a is constant. This is we can add L1 plus lambda, L2 is equals to 0 formation. Means what? This is contains a family of two lines. L1 is 2x minus 4, L2 is 3y minus 4, where lambda is b by a is constant. This is represents what? Equation of line passing through point of intersection of L1 and L2. So what is L1 here? Indirectly. Therefore L1 is a 2x minus 4. It's from this one 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. From this you can collect x point is 4 by 2 is a 2. This is a x coordinate of this line is passing. Okay. Now similarly, what is another line? 3y minus 4. 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. From this what you can get? Y is a 4 by 3. So what is the x coordinate of this line is passing? 2, and y coordinate is 4 by 3. That is 2 comma 4 by 3. That is only is asking. Passes through which point? Is asking. That is our required 2 comma 4 by 3 is clearly which option? Yes, first option. Simply have to concentrate. Given result you can use here and you can write in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. Right. Now you can consider next one. Second question. If A, B, C are in AP, then the lines so and so are concurrent at the point. Same concept. Here passing through point is given, asking here concurrent. Means what? Passing through which point is asking here also. Here in this question given that ABC relation directly, here ABC relation given that indirectly. What is that indirect word here? ABC are in AP series. So ABC in AP, you know well, ABC in AP, there is a relation is 2B is equals to A plus C. 2B is equals to A plus C. From the C we can write in terms of AB like this. C is equals to 2B minus A. Not only C we can write A in terms of BC, B in terms of C, etc. we can write actually. But C is easy. If you write the C in terms of the AB, then in this equation only single C letter is there. That's why easily can substitute here. That's why you can write C in place of C is 2B minus A. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1 in place of the C is AB. AB terms. Here first term is AX. Second term is BY. Third term C is 2B minus A is equals to 0. So from these two, you know that clearly these two terms contains A and these two terms contains B. Same way, same process, but direct. This is indirect application, this is direct application. Such type of questions, how you have to do, that is important. Okay, here also we can separate the A, B terms. A terms, by taking the A is common here, x minus 1 of A, plus in case of B is common, y plus 2 of B is equals to 0. As usual, divide by A, x minus 1 plus B by A of y plus 2 is equals to 0. No need to divide by A, but to convert into this formation, I have done that, like that. It is in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0 like this. L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. This is passing through the point of intersection of L1 and L2, two lines. What is L1 here? X minus 1. Where L1 is x1, x minus 1 is 0 and L2 is y plus 2 is equals to 0. Like that you have to separate the two lines L1 and L2. Okay, L1 is x minus 1 is 0, L2 is y plus 2 is 0. From this you can get the x is 1 and y is minus 2. X is 1, y is minus 2 means what? This these lines are passing through, means concurrent at the point 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2 is there in which option? Yes, it is clearly fourth option. Is it clear now? Yes, in MCET point of view, image and foot of the perpendicular questions also important. How can you find out the image and foot of the perpendicular? Directly, indirectly, how to know from the straight lines. Okay. Question number 3. What is given here? If foot of the perpendicular from minus 4, 5 to the straight line, 3x minus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0 is alpha beta. If the foot of the perpendicular of this point with respect to this line is alpha beta is given, then is asking the alpha plus beta. Means what is given? That's simply, suppose this is a straight line. Okay, this is straight line, this is line, and the foot of the perpendicular from minus 4, 5. This is, we can draw the line perpendicular line. This is taken as some P point. P is a minus 4, 5, and Q is a foot of the perpendicular given as alpha beta. Now we want this alpha beta. If you know the alpha beta values, then we can find out sum of alpha and beta. Okay, easily can do. For this you have to know this tip. Do you know? Yes, everyone know, I think so, about this one. In our subjective point of view, in place of alpha beta letter we are using HK, but here given that alpha beta, that formula I am writing here, means that tip I am writing here. You can understand that H minus x1 by A is equals to K minus y1 by B is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus C by A square plus B square. This tip we can use for the foot of the perpendicular. For image, if he asks, here we can use minus 2. Minus 2 of ax1 plus b1 plus c by a square plus b square. This tip you know very well. In this question, in place of hk given as alpha beta, we can understand that here x1 y1, this point is x1 y1. We have to recollect all this x1 y1. This is line is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Then we can concentrate for foot of the perpendicular. Here what you have to use, in place of hk I am using alpha beta, means what it is in the form of alpha minus x1 is minus 4 minus 1 minus plus 4 by a is a 3 is equals to beta, h means k means k is beta, beta minus y1 means 5 by b is a minus 4 is equals to minus of ax1 plus b1 plus c result. Directly we can collect, substitute this point is directly in the line in place of xy, that is 3 into minus 4 minus 12 and minus 4 into 5 minus 20, then minus 18 by a square plus b square is 3 square plus minus 4 whole square is 16, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 16 is 25. So simple way calculation you have to do, because time is important, speed with accuracy is important in case of objective. Like alpha plus 4 by 3 is same as beta minus 5 by minus 4 equal to, what is this simplification? Here minus 20, minus 12, minus 20 is minus 32, minus 18 is minus 50, minus some minus plus 50, 50 by 25 is a 2. Right, we can equate these two now to find out alpha beta. I am equating first term, this one, that is alpha plus 4 is equals to 3 to 6, right? Alpha is 6 minus 4 is 2, right? Now we can concentrate on beta. Beta minus 5 is equals to 4, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Beta is minus 8 becomes plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5 is what? Minus 3. You know, alpha is 2, beta is minus 3. We want alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta simply 2 minus 3 is a minus 1. That is clearly which option? Yes, it is clearly second option. He may ask directly foot of the perpendicular. He may give the options like this, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 3, like that. He is asking the sum of the x coordinate and y coordinate of that foot of the perpendicular he is asking. Is it clear now? This is tip for the foot of the perpendicular. Clear? Now can come to the next question, which is given in EAMCET 2014. This is given EAMCET 2014. What is he is asking here? We see now. If the image of this line, if the image of this point in a line, means what indirectly with respect to the line is 1, 2. One point is given, that image is given, with respect to the line, we don't know what is that line. Okay, then we have to find out that line is what. Simply you can understand that this is a line, required line. Given 2 points are P, you can take, this is Q, you can take. P is minus 7 by 5, minus 6 by 5. Right, Q, its image. Q is a 1, 2. This line we don't want. This line is not there. We want this line is what? To find out this line. Okay, once again I am reading this is. If the image of this P in the line is Q, then the line is, we want this line. If the image of some P is Q is given. In case of image, you can understand that this is form equidistance from this line. So means this distance is same as this distance, means that indirectly midpoint of PQ must be lies on this line. So midpoint of PQ I am taking some R. Here just use options verification, that's it. We have to verify that midpoint of PQ is in which option. Okay, midpoint of PQ. What is the midpoint of PQ? You know, midpoint of PQ, you know, sum of x coordinates, that is minus 7 by 5 plus 1 by 2. You know, midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and y coordinate is minus 6 by 5 plus 2 by 2, right? You know, midpoint formula, I didn't write the formula, you know well, 5 into 1, 5, 7 minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. 2 2 gets cancelled here, minus 1 by 5 can get. Now here 5 2 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 by 2 is a 2. 2 by 5 we can get here. What is point R? This is I have taken as R point. Must be lies on this line. Must be lies on this line means which option? On which option it is verified, that is we can check it. In case of the subjective point of view, you have to calculate because you don't know the options there. But here there are the options. In such type of questions, just use options verification. That is better. By options verification, we can substitute here first option. Minus x into minus 1 by 5 is minus 4 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 not equals to 0. Second option you can calculate it. 3 into minus 1 by 5 is minus 3 by 5 plus 4 2 is 8 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 plus 8 by 5 is 5 by 5. 5 by 5 clearly equals to 1. Therefore, it is verified in the second option. I am verifying it, you can check it. 3 into x, in place of x we can write minus 1 by 5 and plus 4 into y 2 by 5. You know this is LHS in the question option 3x plus 4y. Here minus 3 and 4 2 is 8. Here denominator 5, here also 5 by 5. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5. 5 by 5 is 1. It is true with the RHS. This is RHS is 1, we got it. Therefore, it is clearly our required line is yes, option number 2. Now look at the question number 5. What is given? The image of 3, 8 with respect to the line is asking. So we can use options verification. The midpoint of this and one of the option must be lies on this one. You can verify it. That is one way. But I am using directive. How can you find out image? You know already just now I explained to you what is image formula. Suppose this is a line. This is line L is equals 0. This is line L is equals 0. This is some P3 comma 8 and its image is Q some H comma K. For image, what is the tip? That is a H minus x1 by A is equals to K minus y1 by B equals to minus 2 times of AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A square plus B square. This tip we can use to find out the image HK. Okay. Sometimes you can use options verification. Here in this question there is a chance to verify the options. But same model question is given in MSET 2016. So here no chance to verify the options. Compulsory you have to use this only. I will explain what is that question. First I am focusing in for this question. H minus x1. You know this is taken as x1 y1. Same what I did for previous question. Same concept here also I am using. But there we use the direct options verification. We can take this is x1 y1, that means h minus x1 is 3 by a is x quotient 1. K minus y1 is 8. K minus 8 by b is a 3 is equals to minus 2 times of, directly we can substitute this point is here, that is 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 into 8 is 24 and minus 7 is equals to 0. This is minus 7 by a square plus b square. A square plus b square means x quotient is 1 square is 1 plus 3 square is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10, right? Now we can understand that h minus 3 is equals to k minus 8 by 3 is equals to, what this one? 24 plus 3, 27. 27 minus 7 is 20. 20 into 2 is, yes, 40. 40 by 2, 10 is 4 with minus 4. Simple calculation you have to do. Everyone, okay. Now from this one you can equate h minus 3 to minus 4 and this also. By taking the h minus 3 is equals to minus 4, h value is minus 4 plus 3 is a minus 1. H is minus 1 is there only in one option, that is a clearly third option. Maybe you can, there is a suppose repetition you can concentrate on this also. What is k minus 8? Here no repetition in case of k minus 8 is equals to 3 4 12 minus 12. K is equals to minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4. Hk is 1 minus 1 comma minus 4. It is clearly third option. Okay. There is no repetition, even though you can stop here. These that means fraction of seconds also important in case of objective. Try to observe the options and so on. Right. Now can come to the question number 16 which is given 2000, sorry 6 which is given MSET 2016. What is asking? The distance from the origin to the image of one with respect to the line. We can find out image of this one just like, okay, from that image to distance from origin we want the distance from image to origin. Okay, same here also we can take this point is x1 y1. What is the formula? H minus x1. Already I used here, that is all I am using. H minus x1. X1 is 1 by a is a 1, right? K minus y1 is also 1, b is also 1 here, is equals to minus 2 times of, this is we can get by the direct substitution, 1 plus y plus is also 1 plus 5 by a square plus b square. A is x quotient 1, y quotient is also 1, 1 square plus 1 square is 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. Now h minus 1 is equals to k minus 1 is equals to 2 gets cancelled. 5 plus 2, 7 with minus 7. Right. By equating these two and this one, h minus 1 is a minus 7, h is a minus 6. Same way, k minus 1 is a minus 7, k is also minus 6. Therefore, you got the image. Image, suppose if you take the p, then image is taken as q is a minus 6 comma minus 6. Just like here directly is asking the image, but what he is asking here? Distance from origin to this image. Means what? Indirectly is asking the OQ, right? So first you can find out Q point, that is image, and origin means what? OQ distance means root over, you know, distance between the 2 points. Minus 6 origin is 0, minus 6 comma 0 is 6 square is 36. Here also 36 you can get. 36 plus 36 root 72. Root 72 we can get 6 root 2 or not? 72 we can get 36 2's. Root 36 is 6. 6 root 2. That is clearly which option? Third option. What is difference between here and there? Here directly is asking the image. Here asking distance from image to the origin. That is only difference here and there. Clear? Look at the question number 7 and 8. These are depends upon the distances from a point to the straight line. Already I explained to you in part 1. What is the distance from point to the line? What is distance between the two parallel lines? What is distance between the 2 points? All those contents I explained in part 1. If you not yet watched, please watch that one. Then only can follow this is easily. Okay, you know, once again you can recollect it. What is the question number 7? You can concentrate on this one. If the length of perpendicular from minus 1 to the line is given as 3. Length means what? Distance. Distance, perpendicular distance from point to the line is given as 3. Then is asking this unknown value k. So, did you remember that one? Okay, the short trick is what? Mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. This is this tip already used in part 1. If you not yet watch, already said you, please watch it. This tip I am using here. So, this when we can use this is we can use to find out distance from a point to the line. Point here some x1 y1. Line we can think is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay, this distance is given as a 3 here. Means what? Shall I substitute here? Right directly? Mod of ax1, a is 3 into x1 is minus 1, that is minus 3, plus directly we can substitute this point here. Minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 2 into k is 2k plus 2k with minus 4 by a square plus b square under root. A square is a 3 square 9 plus b square is k square is given as 3. Okay, now we can simplify. This is 2k minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. 2k minus 7 is equals to, shall I write? 3 into root over 9 plus k square. Now simplification we can do it easily. Taking the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, what happened? Left side is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square means 4k square minus 2ab, that is 2 2's 4, 4 7's 28k plus b square is minus 7 square is already 7 square is 49. A minus b whole square I used here because squaring on both sides. Why we have to take the squaring on both sides? Anybody can guess? Yes, exactly, to avoid the square root. Okay, By taking the squaring right side also, 3 square is 9. Square and square root gets cancelled. This is 9 plus k square. Okay, we can understand here expansion of this is 4k square minus 28k plus 49 is equals to 9 9s 81 plus 9k square. Okay, we can rewrite this is, I am taking all these terms on right side. 9k square minus 4k square is 5k square. And minus 28k if we take right side, that is becomes plus 28k. And constants, here 81 is there, here 49 is there. 81 minus 49 with plus 11 minus 9 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3, 32 is equals to 0. From this we have to collect the k values. So we can understand that k is 5, 32s we can concentrate, and also 28 we can split it as what? 5 32s means what, you can calculate it. 5 into 32s means 8 fours. 4 5 is 20, 20 into 8 is 5 32s, and 20 plus 8 is 28. How can you split the factors? That is all I am doing here. That is 5k square plus 20k plus 8k plus 32 is equals to 0. Right. From first two terms 5k is common. Therefore, 5k times of k plus 4 plus next two terms I am taking the 8 is common. That is k plus 4 is equals to 0. From this you can get the k value is a minus 4. K is minus 4, which option? Yes, either third option or fourth option. And k value minus 8 by 5. K is minus 4 and k is minus 8 by 5. K is minus 4 or k is equal minus 8 by 5. The k values are minus 4 and 8 by 5 minus which option? It's clearly third option, right? So a simple question, try to understand what is the tip for the perpendicular distance from point to the line, right? Same model question which is given MCET 2017. What is given here? If the perpendicular distance between the point 1 to the line is 7. Instead of the 3 is given as 7. Instead of k is asked the c. Same model. Only concentrate, values are changed, but process is same. Okay, can you do it? Yes, distance is given as what? 7. That is modulus of 3 into 1 3 plus 4 into 1 4 with minus plus c by root 3 square plus 4 square 9 plus 16 25 is equals to given as 7. Okay, root 25 can take it as 5. Therefore, this is mod 3 plus 4 7 plus c is equals to root 25 5 5 7 35 you can get. To avoid this modulus, here square root is there, that's why squaring on both sides, but here modulus is there. After opening the modulus 7 plus c, right side we can take it as plus or minus 35. Modulus in the sense plus or minus, right? Indirectly 7 plus c value plus or minus 35, there are the two values. One is 7 plus c is a 35. From this you can get the c value. Another is a 7 plus c is a minus 35. What is c value from this one? 35 minus 7, that is 28 is one of the value. From the c is a minus 35 minus 7 is s minus 42. There are the c values 28 and minus 42. Which option? Yes, 28 and minus 42 is clearly fourth option. Is it clear now? These are depends upon the distances. In any chapter you have to move content wise. All syllabus you have to cover, all points you have to cover as a part. Please watch the all videos as a sequence. You can understand the topic easily. Okay, you may change the numbers, questions, equations, but content doesn't change. Okay, distance formula may for this you can use same thing, for this also you can use same thing. Only your changes are distance here 3 or point you change, line you change. Like that. Okay, right? Let's look at these two questions. Depends upon the one of the content that is also explained in part 1. What is the question I am reading here? The ratio in which this line divides a line joining the 2 points. So what is the ratio in which ratio this line? Suppose this is a line L is equals to 0. This is line L is equals 0. Divides a line joining the 2 points. This is some A 1 comma 2, B 2 comma 3. Okay, this is you can take A and B, these two. Now in which ratio? The line joining the AB divides by the line L is equal to 0 is simply how to remember it? Minus L11 by L22. This tip we have to use. The required ratio is minus L11 by L22. Easily you can get this is L11. How can you get? By substituting this first point is in the line. In place of xy, we can get the L11. Second point, if you substitute L22, you can get. This is only is asking that ratio I am doing here. What is the required ratio? Required ratio is minus L11 means minus of. We can substitute the first point in this equation. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 4 into 2 is 8 and with minus 7. This is a numerator with minus by denominator. L22 means second point we can substitute in place of xy. 3 into 2 6 plus 4 into 3 is a 12 with minus 7. We can understand that this is a 8 plus 3 11. 11 minus 7 is 4 with minus 4 by already here minus is there. 6 plus 12 is a 18. 18 minus 7 is 11. So we got it as ratio is minus 4 is to 11. Is there minus 4 is to 11 in options? No, minus 4 is to 11 is not there. What is the meaning of this is, if there is a negative sign, it divides externally. If there is a positive sign, means we suppose if it is 4 is to 11, divides internally. That is only difference. So minus means divides externally. In which ratio? 4 is to 11. Therefore, which option is correct one? Yes, it is clearly third option. 4 is to 11 externally is correct one. Because of ratio is 4 by 11, but negative sign is there. That is a 4 is to 7, right? Like that, you may give the internally externally concept also. Ratio is never negative. If there is a negative means what, you can take it as externally, right? Now can come to the next question number 10, which is given MSET 2013. What is given here? If the points same way, points are changed 1, 2, 2, 3 and stuff, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Line is also changed. 3x plus 4y minus 7 is given there, so and so. Then line the A, this value of A is asking. This value of A lies in the which interval? You know, unknown value A is there. That value of A lies in which interval is asking. But given that what here, these 2 points are lie on the same side of the line. If these 2 points, suppose this is a line, this is line L is equal to 0. This point is A and another point is also A, same side of this line L is equal to 0. That the condition is L11 and L22 same signs. This is also given in part 1. If the 2 points are same side of the line, L11 and L22 are the same signs. Means what? Both are positives or both are negatives. In such case, what you have to do? L11 L22 product, L11 L22 product must be greater than 0. This is a condition, that is tip we have to use here. Right, what you have to use? We have to use a tip is what? L11 L22 must be greater than 0 in case of same side. In case of opposite side, what you have to do? Yes, we can use a less than 0. Okay, so that is I am using here. Simply, what is the condition here? L11 L22 must be greater than 0. L11 means I said already, for in this case, substitute directly this point is in the equation. That is 1 into 3 3 and 2 into 5 with minus is minus 10 with plus A into, this is L11. L22 means what? Same second point we can substitute 3 4, 3 into 3 9 and 5 into 4 with minus 20 plus A. E is a greater than 0. You know, A is there and 3 minus 10 is minus 7. A minus 7 this is, and here A 9 minus 20 is minus 11. A minus 11 is greater than 0. Do you know this point? If A minus 7 and A minus 11 is greater than 0 means A does not lies between 7 and 11. It's not lies between 7 and 11. Except 7 and 11, it takes all real numbers. Except this interval. Not only 7 and 11 values, all those values that lies between 7 and 11, it cannot take. In case of greater than 0 is there. A does not lies between 7 and 11 means what? A belongs to, except these values, we can take all real numbers except 7 to 11, including 7 and 11 also we don't want. Okay, so what is our option? All options are, first option is 711 is not correct. Second option is or minus 711 is also lies is asking, means belongs to is asking. That is clearly second option. Here we concentrate the condition that the 2 points are same side of the line or opposite side of the line. Here same side of the line, that condition is this thing. What is opposite side of the line? Yes, less than 0 product, right? Look at the question number 11 and 12. Both are depends upon the angle between the two lines. If there are two lines whose slopes are m1 and m2, what is angle between the two lines? You have to remember this tip. What is this tip? Angle between the two lines. Suppose theta is angle between the two lines, we can use a tan theta is equals to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 m2 are slopes of the two lines. We may give the slopes of two lines directly or indirectly. We can find out angle between them. If he wants the theta, maybe theta will give some unknown values also. He may ask such type of questions. We can use this tip, right? Now look at the question number 11. The value of k we want which is greater than 0 such that angle between these two lines is 45 degrees. In these two lines, you know that clearly in this line the k is unknown value. You have to find out that is positive value. That too, how it is, we'll see now. So here given that clearly theta is a 45 degrees. And we can use the slope of the first line m1 I'm taking. Slope of the line I have given, the tip is what? You can watch the video. That is part 1. You can understand that what is the various content and what are its concept, etc. Minus a by b means coefficient of x by coefficient of a with minus. From the first equation, minus 4 by minus 1 is 4, right? Same way you can collect the slope for the second equation. Slope of this line, a is a k, b is minus 5. Minus a means minus k by minus 5 is k by 5. You know m1, m2 values and angle is theta. What is the formula? Tan theta means tan 45 is equals to m1 minus m2, 4 minus k by 5 modulus by 1 plus 4 into k by 5 is 4k by 5, right? But taking the LCM, what happened? 5 4s 20. 20 minus k under modulus by 5 plus 4k, right? You know, LCM 5 gets cancelled. You know, tan 45 is how much? 1. 1 is equals to mod 20 minus k by 5 plus 4k. You know, avoid the modulus. To avoid the modulus, we can use 1 as a plus or minus 1. Therefore, plus or minus 1. This is plus or minus 1 if you take. By taking the cross multiplication is here, plus or minus 5 plus 4k is equals to 20 minus k we can get. Suppose if you take the positive value, if you take the 5 plus 4k positive value, here already minus k is there. Minus k, if you take the left side, it is a 5k. 5k is equals to, so right side 20 with the plus 5 means becomes minus 5. 20 minus 5 is a 15. Therefore, k is equals to 15 by 5 is a clearly 3. So, k is equals to 3 we got. That is positive value or not? Positive value. That is clearly third option. Suppose if it is not a positive value, we can choose another value, another sign with minus. Here we got with plus only got the positive value. No need to worry about the other side. Clear? Right. Same model question which is given in MCET 2019. What is given here? If M1, M2, there are some M1, M2 are the slopes of a lines which makes an angle 30 degrees with a line joining these 2 points. By line joining these 2 points, we can find out one slope. We want the slopes of a line whose slope is some taken as some m. What is angle between them is given as 30 degrees. By using that angle concept, we can find out m means what? Those roots you can get m1 and m2. M1, M2 are what? Roots of a, slopes of a line which makes an angle 30 degrees with the line joining these 2 points. For this simply we have to take. Question is clear. So required slope is taken as some m. Let m is equals to m be required slope. Okay. From that you can get the 2 values that is different. And slope of given line. Slope of given line. You know, line joining the 2 points slope is difference of y coordinates. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 3 minus 1 is also 2, 2 by 2 is 1. You know, just like here, according to this formula, m1 is m I have taken, m2 is a 1. Don't get the confusion, these m1, m2s. According to this formula, m1 is m, m2 is 1. And what is the angle given as? 30 degrees. Theta is equals to 30 degrees. Now you can use this formula. Tan 30 is equals to mod m1 minus m2. m1 is a m only, minus m2 is a 1 by m1, 1 plus m1 m2. 1 plus m1 m2 means what? M. You know tan 30 is how much? Yes, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to modulus of m minus 1 by 1 plus m. Take the cross multiplication. 1 plus m is equals to root 3 of m minus 1. So 1 plus m is equals to root 3 of m minus 1. You know, to avoid this square root, we can take squaring on both sides. By taking the squaring on both sides, so we can get the resultant value, m values. What is that? We can look at. Is it clear? So from this you can find out the slopes, whose are denoted as m1, m2, in which highest value m1 is taken, highest value, then the least value is m2. Then finally what is asking? m1 by m2. How can you calculate the m1, m2 two roots, and how can you find out m1, m2? Look at now. Right, in next step, by taking the squaring on both sides, here 1 plus m whole square is equals to right side root 3 whole square is 3 into m minus 1 whole square. So we can expand here a plus b whole square, that is 1 plus 2m plus m square is equals 3 times of m square minus 2m plus 1. Right. By the expansion of this is 3m square is there here, m square. One more step I am writing. 1 plus 2m plus m square is equals to 3m square minus 6m plus 3. Okay. From this, shall we rewrite? 3m square minus m square is 2m square. And minus 6m minus 2m is minus 8m. 3 minus 1 is 2 is equals to 0. From these 3 terms we can take m square is common, 2 is common, m square minus 4m plus 1 is equals to 0. You know, this is quadratic equation in terms of m, means it has 2 roots, no direct roots here. What we can do? We can use this tip, you know, from the quadratic equations, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a we can use to find out the roots. Okay, therefore m is here, minus b means 4, plus or minus root over b square is 16, minus 4 by 2a is 2, right? That is 4 plus or minus root 12 we can write as 2 root 3 by 2. You know, denominator 1, 2, numerator 1 more 2, we can take the common, gets cancelled. Therefore, this is 2 plus or minus root 3. So, there are the two values of m is 2 plus root 3 one value, 2 minus root 3 other value. So, m is equals to 2 plus root 3 one of the value, 2 minus root 3 is other value. These are mentioned as m1 and m2, and clearly mentioned that m1 is greater than m2. Means which is m1? Yes, this is m1 we can take. This is m2 we can take, right? Because this is plus sign is greater than the minus sign. Now finally we want m1 by m2. Therefore m1 by m2 is equals to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Okay, to get the simplification, rationalizing it. What is the rationalizing factor of 2 minus root 3 is 2 plus root 3. Now this becomes 2 plus root 3 whole square by, you know, divide and multiply with 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 is 4 minus 3 is a 1, right? Again it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square is a 4 plus b square is a 3 plus 2ab is 2 to 4 root 3. Therefore this is 4 plus 3 is a 7, 7 plus 4 root 3. You know, some additional work is asking in this case, that is our required result. m1 by m2 is 7 plus 4 root 3. 7 plus 4 root 3 which option? Yes, it is clearly fourth option. This is given answer 2019, recent year only it is given, right? So these are the various questions I covered in this part 2 on the topic straight lines. Already discussed about the part 1. In the part 1 I explained the concept and various content, so you can please watch that video. and I hope so you followed this video as well. Please watch the video from starting to ending, so you can thorough with the concept and the tips and tricks along with the previous questions. Then we can come across this chapter very easily. Nothing to worry. Okay. If you make sure enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. So please put your comment what it may be you feel your feedback. Okay, I conclude this video is here. I come with another video with new energy. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.